Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. If today is first time to come across this my channel, please you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to this channel, audio latest news TV channel. Thank you guys once again, and please guys press the like button and hit the notification bell. Drop your comment. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much once again. I really appreciate for all my viewers and all my subscribers. If not, I'm not gonna feed there yet today. And the story when me bring come today for now, the new Ogbogen news. Like the warfare talk and say now all news that they talk, first of all, now all news that they talk about Africa news, European news, world continent, all world continent news, all the world news that they talk about to this channel. Now those latest Ogbogen news, let me they talk about. Now what you the new the Apple now they talk about. You understand? Now, anyone will see they follow me when they watch me, as I'm gonna try to press that notification bell in case anytime I upload this new video, you go they notify. You understand? Anytime you drop a video, you will be the first person to notify. And let me tell you guys, now condition make poor man not dey fit dey marry rich man pikin. Now the same condition when I say poor man go dey sit down, they put him hand for his face, or where they put him hand for his head or for his tongue side, they talk say it go better. One day it go better. Now condition they make poor man they talk, and rich man can never sit down, calculate, say one day it go better. When I know what I talk about, you understand? If I think say na lie they talk, when I go ask poor man why they not defeat the marry rich man pikin. You see, so I'm gonna go say ask poor man when they talk say one day it go better. Thank you guys once again. You are welcome to this channel, to this audio latest TV channel. You are welcome to this channel, and let's go there. What it bring me come today, more go the table while we are here. Like the news when we want to talk about today, now what it happen for Nigeria. Now what it happen for Nigeria. Before I will explain, I need to reason and give una in case una go fair understand, and before una go see know what I talk about what it happen for Nigeria for the two armed robbery. Understand? One bless one try to snatch car at the end, but thank God say police quick come to call rescue the motor from those armed robbery. You understand? Those, you know what it be armed robbery? Those armed robber, understand, for Uromi. And what it for happen for Edo State. Then maybe quickly say may I talk this news given now today. Thank you and stay. I want to read that for Namona and listen before I go explain. It say two armed robbers have been caught trying to steal a car in Uromi, Edo State. The robber tried stealing the car while it was parked outside opposite First Bank in Uromi before the police were alerted. The suspects were later caught, tied, and handed over to the police. Now they are reading and rich. The chance of my people, you see, those armed robbers, they want to try to steal the car. The man you park the car opposite near First Bank, opposite First Bank. And some with the two armed robbers, you try me they go steal or snatch the car. Suddenly, maybe for the people when they around there, or the man could they observe, you know what they call observe now, as in just go fast, just go target, say okay, maybe I stand and know what I talk about. The film so then they could alert police. Understand? And those police I really appreciate when they say fast come. When they quit fast, that's the more they alert them and they quit stay fast. That not be those police that want to go for community. Understand? That man with the owner of the car go for the difficult before you go see the motor. We got a message to those armed robbery. Armed robbery in Edo State, those armed robbery with the Edo State for Uromi. It's not really good. Una not go work. Una want quick cash. Fast money. This man struggle, suffer to buy this motor. He work hard, but you will not want suffer. When no one work hard, you want quick go steal the man motor. This is the message for those armed robbers. If those police now, or maybe police they kill armed robber, now people go they get a party for them. This will not be the time when they get party for armed robber. Seriously. Because of Edo State or Edo State people that are or the citizens of Edo State, they not go get rest of mind. Because people no want work. They want quick money. They not go see person when go rich. When they not go rob bank. They not go see person when go buy, say, you see the manage, when you see the drive car, when they not go rob bank. Enough is enough. Armed robber in Edo State, not only Edo State, in Nigeria and outside the country, we need to stop it. Enough is enough. Go and work. Now need to sit down, calculate. Say what you they do is not good. And maybe this one will be the first time when this one they happen. Or when this one they happen, you understand? Suddenly they catch the armed robber, they tie to and they hand over to police. And go dey police custody. And they know what they want use the case to do. And the police know what they want use the matter to do. You understand? I really appreciate the police who say they really fast come. When they could rescue that motor from that armed robber, those two armed robbery for Uru Miniature for Tepun for Edo State, Nigeria. Not really good. People when they watch for this channel now, see they use this opportunity. They say it gives sense. They advise the younger one when see they grow up. Who say they need to see no things. As time kids they will need to see take clear away from those bad friends or those armed robbery friends or those courties, because through those courties and those bad friends, now they push them into this robbery. You understand? Now make me see my court tell una the message. My court read down what did they happen for Edo State for Urumi. This one recently news when they read they go on. Women people never know. Now see my court could read down. Thank you guys once again. We'll go to another news. Hello my people, this one I see strong Ogbegoing news when me want to talk about. This really touched me, you understand? When I see this, these pictures, when I see this news, it really touched me, it really pay me. As any person not get strong mind, you know if he look this picture, you understand? I always say you will look the picture, but the video, I know if you put the video for this YouTube channel, you understand? And we can cause everybody if you get those out. That's a very painful art. Before I go explain, give you guys, I need to read it for una. Mona know what I talk about before I go explain directly. Give una. He say a woman in Rivers State who was declared missing has been found in a shallow well in an uncompleted building at Iguruta community in Ikure local government area. Mrs. Chizoba Ike, a mother of two, was kidnapped from her home along with her 6-month-old baby on August 7. He said her adductors then threw her into the shallow well after several beatings. Lucy, he said Lucran at on one of her abductors' house as he was caught by the police on stop and searched with Chizoba baby at Umerulu, the boundary community between River and Imo State. Efe Osman of Chizoba said he was invited by the police to come and identify the baby, having long a complaint about his missing wife and baby. Ike said the suspect is known to him in the area as Mr. Shinedu. Mr. Ike, who hailed from Imo State, said the suspect Shinedu had attempted to rape his wife when she was pregnant. On her part, Chizoba, still reeling in pain, said the suspect came to her house, claimed that her husband wanted her to come to the suspect house to collect some money. Understand? Now be the news when me break off on to this very painful. You understand? This woman will say, first of all, they kidnap him. When they kidnap him, they beat him. Lot of beating. After beating, they sleep with her. That's a very painful death. When they sleep with her, they throw her. You know those kind of those kind of when they tiny. After sleeping with her, they throw her inside, and the woman gets 6 months baby. 6 months baby now she get for hand. And before then, this kidnapper, so they tried to see rape the woman before when she tried to when she did pregnant, as in when she did pregnancy before. You see, very painful. Understand? They just kill the woman, the lady, they kill her. Understand? And the husband went to police to complain about a missing wife, but suddenly they later find the woman when they the way they throw her for inside the well, but they later find they later say how. So they say so. Also, it's an advice to many people. According of the news, this boy so he know this friend, you know the community now, the same area. Yes, and I know the way I talk, you know the way those friends be now, like you they make friends and they make friends for the same area. My guy, far. Understand? Now those ones, this is friends, so now he come to this woman house. Understand? And the man no there, so he go to this man house, come meet the woman, say that now your husband say me you come, make her carry money. And the woman no know say na lie. Those kidnapper they talk, those thief they talk. They say so. And so they take catch the woman before they rape her, beat her, understand? But suddenly things they okay. But the woman don't die. Oh, suddenly why I say things they okay? Now because of those kidnapper, they say so. And what occur, understand? This kidnapping case and raping case need to stop. Those governments of Rivers State, they need to work towards it. They need to have those more security, more police. Understand? They need to catch those kidnapping people, those people where they rape, those rapists and those kidnapping people. They need to catch them, give them a bigger punishment, like put them in jail. Enough is enough. Innocent lady. Then they just kiss you. Innocent woman. Which gain those armed robbers want get? Which gain those rapists want get? Which gain those kidnappers want get? No gain. Now the poor people, those kidnapping, go see they meet. They can never go and meet rich people or yes, and those, you know what I talk about now. Before kidnapping people, kidnapper go meet those rich man or woman, it is difficult. And those one will not get anything, then they see they kidnap. Now those one will not see those innocent people, then they see the rape. You see, it's very painful. Understand? Let me just come bring this issue to court tell now. See what they happen for Rivers State. I beg our Rivers State governor in Nigeria, and I need to work towards this issue, and I need to apply more security for this Rivers State. Understand? In case those things need to stop, those kidnapping, killing need to stop. Please, our governor in Rivers State. Thank you very much. We'll go to another news, and that'll be the message I give you today. Man, and I know what I talk about. If I read the Nigeria, when they let me know, when they drop in a comment, we'll go to another news. Yes, my people. You know, it's another news. Like what it happened for Lagos State about those kidnapping. You know about those kidnapping issue now. Understand? This message now for some mother, some parents, and the children. You see, when the children they grow, they come. Mother go to tell them say, or father or mother go to tell them say, they advise and say, man, not they follow bad friends, man, not they smoke, man, not they drink. You understand? Those things don't good. You understand? They go to think say, what the mother or the father they tell them, nah, lie. You understand? They not go even boost stand for ear. Now when they grow up, they see something in life, they'll probably remember say, now wait till my father tell me or my mother tell me, and those things now truth. It sounds, but that time they still call too late to them. That's because they don't already meet the bad friends or don't follow the bad friends. That's some of them send them go school, through school, the waiter, you know the waiter, those bad gang. When they say bad gang, the waiter, the bad gang. And through that bad gang, they don't focus for life, they don't focus on their school, they don't focus on anything. You understand? And this message will basically give Una today. Now about this strong message, you understand? This strong message, before I go talk or yeah, before I go explain, give Una, I go show Una the video, Mona watch. Regardez là-bas. My people, should I don't watch the video for those kidnapper where they take catch the guy that see kidnapper and see rapist, you understand? I see when police catch him, you understand? When police don't catch him, and this one not be the first time if it don't happen for whether 2018 or stroke 2019 when the guy felt go J before. After G, understand? When they release and then continue to the doing, as according of the guy where the police catch and those the rapist guy and the kidnapper guy and the same killer guy, only one you get 3 rank. Now know what to be 3 rank now, only one. As in a rapist, in a kidnapper, in a killing. You know, say the guy do shortalize, the guy do this strong well for the work when they do. Understand? Now when police do arrest and when they interview and they talk say make police kill him. Understand? Say may they take his life, say because he not get hope again. Wait make can go back to jail, come out again. He go do more than war. Say because that was 2018 or 2019 when we go back to jail. Now those the friends who we meet for the jail. Tell say if you come back or you come out, you call John Horse, you continue, you understand? You continue to the doing, you call strong put. We go train you more. And the guy not use and take get sense. Maybe the jail when you go, they not maltreat and they not give the strongest punishment for Nigeria. It's not like Nigeria for happen for Lagos State. It's also they not give those strongest, those strongest beating. So I understand those strongest punishment. They not give now make because I believe say people they say if you go back, if you go jail, you come out all your baba thing when you fail to you go so free. Low like the way now not the way those rats when you fall for water now what say they call low if they don't fall for inside water the cause of a low like person will not get strength or will not get power or will not know what they do again in life. You understand? That's so it be. So maybe they not give that strong punishment or they not give that enough beating. You understand? Then make the guy come back. You see get that agility. You know what it be that agility now the day eager. You understand? To see do more effort. You understand? And the guy talk now, see there's no need when he go back again. The only thing when they do, make police take it life, make government take it life. That's because he don't get hope again. May not be say if you come back again or come out again, may not become enemy. And I know the way enemy be now. People don't see yet things about enemy. That's the strongest criminal for those states when they call enemy. Understand? Maybe you could become or you call worse past enemy. And because say they talk and you use your math. Take talk and now in case me not be say any case city or what you call it do you call worse past that one. Let me can say okay make government take it life. Understand? Let me just go give na this news. What you not suggest about this news? Make the police kill him or make they leave him or make government help him for other way. Understand? Maybe make government help him just to give him a work or a job. Understand? Or try to train her for anything when you want me do for life. The film is according of the guy say he not get any person who want help her, he not get hope, he not get people who want help her again, or his parents no one want help her. They say so. I'm gonna drop on a comment for this my video when I talk about this topic. We may talk about as I go to another news.
When I go inside their houses like that, if I talk to them, maybe I make them scared. They will not respond no more. So I'll just use that one to do wickedness for one of them. So I'm sleeping with them.
With who? Their wife or daughter?
Maybe it's only just, let me just say twice. I've done that twice.
With who now?
One is wife and one is house helper. If I talk to them, like maybe when I go inside their room, I was now talking to them now. Give me what you have in your house. And now they need to go. They don't want to answer me. So after I collect what they have from them, I don't really want to know. Maybe the thing just come inside me that let me just sleep with one of them.
I spoke with some victims that they said you allegedly raped over 30 people. How true is that?
No, it's not. That is not truth. I don't used to lie.
Some of them came and they
Some of them came. Yeah, some of them came out.
How many have you raped in total? You have to be truthful now.
It's going to be it's about 3 people now. Raped.
How many operations have you successfully executed?
I can't count them, but I've been doing that since 2019 January.
Okay, but what led you to it?
That's why I'm requesting them to just waste me, because I have a reason why. Yes,
What do you mean by saying waste me?
I have a reason why I say they should waste me, because the brain I go and learn is when they get me to prison. That was 2018 when I went there. That's why I learned brain that when you come outside, you come and join us, come and use gun with us. So from there we can be working together. So when I come outside, I was looking for who to help me, and my family are not ready to help. So my solution now is that maybe they should just waste me. That's what I'm thinking, because for them to send me back to prison, I know I'm going to be hard more than this. What I mean by wasting is that I mean they should kill me. That's what I mean.
Is it that you don't believe that you have a future?
I don't see anybody that can help me now. That is why I say maybe they should just, because I don't want to disrupt Nigeria more than this.
What took you to the prison in the first place?
I went to go and stole somebody's property, so I was got, and they took me to prison. When they take me to prison, when I reached there, people are advising me that if you don't come outside, you just come and join us. Don't go and steal phone again. Come and join us with using arms and guns, some other things. So when I come outside, I started doing it alone the way I'm doing it. My father was born in Lagos, while I also was born in Lagos.
So is it you don't have?
I have parents. I live at Oyingbo. I stay in hotel. Anytime I look for money to go and steal money, I will pay for the hotel. I know that nobody is ready to help me the way I'm seeing myself. That's why I said, instead of the police people to send me to prison again, I'm ready for it.
My people, these are the strong Ogbege news. When I say go watch, when I look and watch and they shocktalize, understand? There's a message to all mothers, fathers, understand? And those girls, you know, those cis girls, those ass maid or those cis girls. This and so those ass maid, I can't say ass maid or ass helper. They feel me so. Then those message to them and those message to those mother and father when you like to they carry as maid or as help, understand? Before I go call talk or before I go explain, I'm gonna watch the video. Regardez là-bas.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I think I would kill anybody that said or do something that I don't like.
I can't hear you. Please speak up.
I said I will kill anybody that says something or do what I don't like.
What will you kill them with? What will you kill them with? Would you give her her tool? Continue. What will you kill them with? Eh? What are you holding in your hand? What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What did you use it for? You put it where? Which water? Which of my water? Where is downstairs? Where was it downstairs? So how did you get the one upstairs? Because my room is locked. How did you get the water inside my room? I can't hear you. I cannot hear what you are saying.
I don't know where you keep
Which key?
The one in your room.
When you found the key of my room, what did you do?
I want to open the door.
Uh-huh.
And I can tell you say,
You want me to help you talk? Was I there when you did it? So it's you that can tell us what happened, eh? So when you opened my door and entered inside my room, what did you now do? When you found my key, where I hid my key, you opened my door, you entered inside my room, then what did you do? I can't hear you. Put it where?
in the water.
Eh?
In the water.
What water? Better speak up.
Your water.
The water for what?
You drink.
The water I'll drink. I can't hear you.
Yes.
So you took sniper, looked for where I used to keep my key, opened my room door, entered inside, opened the water I used to drink, and poured sniper inside my drinking water. Is that true?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
My people, should not watch the video just now about that ass made. The sound so that's ass help. My call her ass help. That's how ass made. And you know the way they call her now. I understand. The sound so this is the message when we want to give the women and the men and the house girl. Because this house girl, you see, many people got a fear to they carry house girl nowadays. They got a fear for Nigeria, not only Nigeria, Africa. Because some of us get they bad, they get that bad out. Even say you do good. Understand? Even say you do good, the good thing you do good for them. Yet they can never appreciate you. Understand? They'll go try one to do one of two things, understand? To destroy that home. Understand? Whether to kill the woman or to kill the children or to take the man away from the wife. Understand? Many ass get like that. Understand? Any person will get ass get with any woman or any man will get ass made. You know what I talk about. You know what they go on. Understand? It did like that. Understand? And some women or men where they carry ass made. Understand? First of all, the women where they carry ass help or ass made. Understand? That's a message for now. Because some of you now, una need to maltreat the ass made or the ass help. Understand? Give them punish. Maybe you know those kind of work. Those ass stress now. Understand? You say I go do toilet, go wash, go cook, go do everything, go cut flower. Understand? Many of women or many the women for his side go bath my children, go do this one. Understand? Many they need to maltreat many of the housemaid or house care or house help. Understand? Because say that they pay money or because say they see the help and maybe they see they go school. Understand? If you carry as help, take as use one mind as your own, the way you love your children, the way you get your children. Understand? Now you make can you see can but many of not be all not be some women also they when you carry as they also they take them as their own children or their own daughter. You understand? Some women also they and some men see they and some men see they like that. We say their wife will carry us help come. Then you know now no tell I talk now they'll call you down to do second my people that don't tell I talk about but I don't want to make sure but if I want to make sure I go make sure I put for this channel. They sound so the man, you understand? You already use that one, you already do second shuya. You know what they be shuya? They use the girl, the ass mid or ass head. They do second shuya before their wife come for work or before their wife come for market or before their wife come for anywhere. If the man theirs, as maybe the ass help yours they legitimate. You know what they legitimate and yours they legitimate they sexy. That sound like the way they say pumpkin leaf good for goosey soup. You understand? Maybe that's what the girl just be. Then the man go just something they use act to the corner. You understand? Before the man come, before the woman come, then he go start the shop. The girl show ya. You understand? Shoot then and when the woman call no casalado, but some men they like that. Not be all male and men when don't know yourself. They say they do that one. They sound so not really good. And this as they want try kill the madam. Why? Because he say when you come that home, he say any person in your vow, say any person when you maltreat her or when you talk the way she don't like, he say so she go kill him. Can you imagine that? She go kill him. Can you imagine? Say she will kill her. Any person when you talk to her when you not like, You understand? Or any person you talk to and the kind of talk when you talk to them, you understand? She said will get power. And she copy the madam. Madam when you get asked, please don't let her talk to the ass girl or ass help. Because of I know you know, you understand? Whether the ass help they try to drag the woman husband. And they know where the forte meet. The film so don't be say at the judge for the ASEP or don't say at the John this one. No one want the John between both of them. Yes, I need to talk the truth. That made me come to this table to talk about this channel. What did they happen? This sound so. That made me because he talk but this has girl, what is she do? Not really good. Understand? It's not really good because if people they see those kind of things, there's no need when you figure what they help. As help or where you need to call the carry as get put for us or as help the film is so because it's very painful. You understand? When I say as get who could try to plan to kill the woman, suddenly the woman catch the girl. We better say with the not be only you don't they put those chemicals. Don't forget what they call the chemical. You know they pump for the water with the woman they drink. Those might call them poison. But suddenly maybe the woman not they drink the water or the woman not they die. Even the woman room, that's our whole key which she get for our private room. The ass get go. That's a blind. You know the way those rats be now, those spiritual rats, who basically they go send come. That stand for above. You go try to follow all your step, all your foot. You understand? That's so that ass get be. You understand? Before you get that key, when you get that key, you go open the madam room. You ever to open the madam room, the water, you try to poison the water. You have to take the madam. Suddenly, God see help the madam. Maybe now the woman, now unfearable God, person who say fear God. Understand when you love God, understand when you love Jesus also. And I know that talk now they can. You know, see person they do good. Any evil people who try to attack you, you understand? There are many rescue. When they say God will see rescue away from you. And maybe that death when that girl try to plan come for that person, but that death not be that woman or that day. Now they can say yes, God raise stand or injure God. The woman back. When they say the woman they sound so you not really good. Then a message to the house girl and those women, you understand? Women should be careful. Any as help when I want they carry, when I need to wash them where, when I need to know where. Understand? But we not say yes, many people you understand where they carry as help, or when say you know they reach their village or you know they reach their background. You understand? When they don't shop punch, they don't shop and what it do they their mind, they don't vomit instantly. Now when one of two things that they come, they'll try to vomit out. They sound so I pay my people, you understand? When I need to get more wisdom from this ass help, you understand? I need to get more wisdom because it's not really good. If you dey work, try to limit your work, or if you dey work, try to limit it in case anything we want to try to do, you could try to do it because nowadays ass help very risky. That's very risky nowadays. Not really good for many people, even for most Nigeria, Africa. Understand? Not really good because some of them wicked, some of them bad, some of them go spoil your children from you, some of them go poison your children. Understand? Now your God grace. We not say yes before you see them, they did difficult, but now your God, understand? Now your God they take control. Now people to always the pray, someone not call jam the bad one. The film is so. As some people, as be the message women bring comfort now. If I really like this video when I talk today or this topic, when we call bring on this Ogbega news, when we call talk today for this table, please, if you really love it, drop your comment. Drop your comment, you understand? Drop your comment, guys. I really appreciate. You can say your opinion, whatever you want to say. Please just drop your comment there. That's how I'm expecting it. Understand? If today first time or when you are passing it or coming in, come to this video, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys once again until you come to my way for the next video. Peace up. Bye. I love you.